Hello, if you are wondering how you can charge your Redmi Watch 5 Active, it's actually quite simple. So take a look. Right here on the back of this device, we can find two pins, right? And inside the box of the Redmi Watch 5 Active, we can find this cable with this charger. So you will have to put it like this. There's like automatic attachment thanks to this magnet part. If it's actually not working, then you will have to rotate your device and then it will automatically attach right here. And we can find USB-A cable. So now you can actually connect this device into any power supply. So you can use, for example, your phone, your PC, laptop, your game console. Take a look. It start charging. You can also use, for example, the charging brick. So I'm using this one. It's actually it's actually with Qualcomm chips inside, 3.0, and it charged my watch. So that's what I want to mention, that you don't have to actually purchase any additional power adapter. You can use the same that you have with your phone. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.